My name is Nia, I'm studying costume and I'm from South London. Guildhall pushes you out of your comfort zone, but in the best way possible. As you go through each year, you understand and you get put into a different position. Starting from the bottom, going up, how important each role is. A typical week usually consists of quite a lot of things for the costume students when they're on an allocation. So that would include sometimes shopping, going out and going to hire houses, doing things like budgeting as well, making, that's a big thing, alterations. A lot is included in this course. I worked on London Fashion Week when we had Patrick McDowell come to the school, and this was during first year. That was a big moment, like, wow, I can see us working as dressers, and it was a very proud moment. By putting me in roles and positions and situations where I thought I would struggle, and being there to be supportive with that, it's been very motivational for me. It's allowed me to understand how much goes into not only putting on a production or a film or a show, but how, as a designer, you go into things and you, like the perspective of a designer, what's necessary to know, what's not necessary to know, and how to treat your team as well. I feel like my design skills are better, my making skills have gotten better. I've just developed overall as a person. Yeah, I've fallen more in love with costume. I would definitely say that, being here, seeing it from design, all the way up until it getting made, until it's on stage, and that moment of seeing your stuff on stage or on screen. It's so rewarding. I love it so much.